Low-carb, keto-friendly fluffy pancakes. Welcome to the alchemy of food, where simple and natural ingredients are transformed into wholesome, delicious recipes. This week, I will be making low-carb breakfast pancakes. If you're on a ketogenic or low-carb diet, this is a perfect breakfast option for you. All you need is a few ingredients to get started. To get started, you will need 4 eggs. You will start by separating the egg whites from the yolk, since we are making fluffy pancakes. It's preferable that you use organic eggs, but unfortunately for me, they were out of stock this week. Set the egg whites aside for now. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, add your egg yolks. You will also need 4 ounces of soft cream cheese. The one that I have made my life so much easier, as it has markers for measurements right on the package. Sweeteners are optional for this recipe, and the 3 main options are Truvia, maple syrup, and honey, preferably organic. In this recipe, I chose to go with 1 tablespoon maple syrup, but if you're on a low sugar diet, I would either leave the sugar out or use Truvia as the alternative option, and vanilla extract for flavoring. Here, I'm using 1 teaspoon. Whisk all the wet ingredients together until the cream cheese is completely blended within the mix. It's now time to add the dry ingredients. You will need 2 cups of almond flour, which you can buy at the grocery store. Grocery store almond flour most likely has additives, but luckily for you, I recently posted a video on how to make your own almond flour at home using 1 ingredient, almonds. I normally start with 1 cup of almond flour and blend that into the mix. And once that's well blended, I add the 2nd cup. Mix well, but remember not to overmix. We want this to be a fluffy, airy pancake after all. And now for the most important part, whipping the egg whites to fluff up our pancake. I'm using a handheld frother, but you can use any mixer of your choosing as long as it can fluff up the egg whites. It's now time to add the egg whites to the almond flour mix. Mix just enough to have everything blended, but make sure not to overmix, otherwise it'll start flattening your fluffy mixture. You're done with the hardest part. See, that was so easy, right? In a frying pan over medium to low heat, add your cooking spray. Using butter can also be an alternative option. Before flipping your pancakes over, make sure that it is fully cooked on both sides. Here, I am just checking to make sure that one side is fully cooked before I flip it over or remove it from the pan. All that's left to do is to fry the remainder of your mixture and serve right away. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy, fluffy, low-carb pancake video, and I'll see you in the next one.